Alright guys, we're going to be solving another question from the ninth chapter of Vector Mechanics for Engineers by Beer Johnston, and we need to determine by direct integration of the moment of inertia of the shaded area with respect to the y-axis. So we have this shaded area here where we need to find the moment of inertia as we talked about in the previous video. And since we are trying to find a moment of inertia with respect to y-axis, we're looking for the iy, so integral of x squared times dA. So for finding our dA, we're going to consider our rectangle that we talked about, which is very small. And we're going to consider this side dx, and the other side, which is what we are interested in here, is this. And that's going to be for us b minus y. So we need to watch, because if we consider y in here instead of b minus y, we're going to consider the bottom part of this. So keep in mind that side is b minus y. So the area of the rectangle here would be b minus y times dx. And we already have the y in here, which is k times x to the 4, and for finding that constant k, we're just going to put the coordinates of this point where the x is a and our y is actually b. So if we just put that coordinates a b into our equation, which is what we're going to get is b is equal to k times a to the 4. So now we have k in here, which is b over a to the 4. So we're just going to plug that k in here, and we're going to replace our integral, knowing that our x starts from 0 to a. So I'm just going to rewrite everything and make things a little bit simpler. X squared times b minus y. Our y is kx to the 4, so k is b over a to the 4 times x to the 4 dx. And yeah, now we have to deal with this. So we just have to multiply these in each of these two. We're gonna get bx squared negative b over a to the 4 x to the power of 6 dx. And now this is going to be our integral. From the first one, we're going to have b over 3 times x cubed. And for the second one, we have the constants here, and x to the 7 over 7. And all this is starting from 0 to a. So if you just want to double check your integral, just do the differentiation of each of them and see if we get the what we had in the previous part. So let's just we can see if we just put 0, everything's going to be 0, but let's see what we get for a. We're going to get a cubed times b over 3 negative b times a to the 7 over 7a4. And again, 0 is going to be 0. So the final answer for area moment of inertia with respect to y would be a cubed b over 3 negative b a cubed over 7. And we can actually do the common denominator here. So 21, 7a3 a cubed b negative 3b a cubed. So that's going to be 4a cubed b over 21, and the final answer for this question. I hope everything was clear. Let me know if you guys have any questions. You guys take care. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.